Imagine standing at the threshold of a hospital transformation. The challenge? Delivering meaningful change without overwhelming the teams or losing sight of what matters most, patient experience. Enter the product backlog, a cornerstone of Scrum Artifacts. Picture it as a dynamic list filled with possibilities, each organized by its potential to create value for patients and staff. Instead of tackling an enormous overhaul all at once, the hospital focused on distinct enhancements. Online appointment scheduling, digital registration, SMS notifications to keep patients informed, real-time queue displays for waiting rooms, doctor dashboards to streamline workflow, seamless billing integration, immediate channels for patient feedback. Each item was carefully prioritized, reflecting what customers, patients and doctors alike, needed most. The product backlog allowed everyone to see the path forward. It kept transformation clear, manageable, and customer-focused. This is how Scrum turns complexity into clarity. By breaking big ambitions into actionable steps, Scrum helps teams move steadily toward real impact. The product backlog isn't just a list, it's the heartbeat of continuous improvement. So the next time your organization faces a daunting challenge, remember, transformation happens one prioritized step at a time. The product backlog is how you keep the focus sharp and the value high.